Hi, welcome to another video from MS Office Guru. We hope you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Printing titles, grid lines, and headings. As you can see in the Page Layout tab, under the Page Setup, we have Print Titles section. We want this first row to appear on every page when we print it. As you can see, this is the first page, but on the second page, the titles are missing. So if you want the titles to appear on the top of every page, we can use the Print Titles option. In the Page Layout tab, we can click on Print Titles, and in the row to repeat at the top, we select the first row. It need not be the first row all the time. You may have your company in the first 6 lines and the headings on the 7th line. Then you will select the 7th row to repeat itself on every page. Here we are selecting the first row. Nothing changes in the Excel sheet, but in the print preview, you can notice that on every page we can see the titles. This is printing titles. Similarly, in the Page Layout tab, a little towards the right, you have Sheet Options. We have the grid lines in this Excel which do not usually print. But if you still want to print them, you can click on this Print checkbox here, which will print the grid lines. Let us see how the preview looks. In the print, you can notice all the lines that it is showing right now. These are all the grid lines. Right next to the grid lines, we have headings. These are A, B, C, D in the columns and 1, 2, 3, 4 in the rows. You can select on the Print checkbox, go to the Print preview, and now you can see the headings are also the part of Print preview. We usually do not print headings and grid lines, so let me take them off. This is how we print titles, grid lines, and headings in Excel. To become an Excel expert in a few hours, check out the playlists on our channel. If you have liked the video, click like button below. Thank you for watching the video till the end.